So I'm going to read a nonfiction story to you, and the title is How to Make a Kite. Flying high. Kites are fun to fly, but they can also be useful tools. Scientists and inventors used kites for weather experiments, building airplanes, and even for the discovery of electricity. Gathering supplies. So here is a list of things that you will need to make your own kite. So what writing have we been working on that use a list of supplies or materials? That's right, how-to writing. So here are the supplies that you will need. You will need a plastic shopping bag. This book says 2 bamboo skewers, but if you don't have that, you can use 2 sticks. Clear tape, some kind of cardboard, lightweight string, you could probably use yarn as well, ruler, marker, and scissors. And I'll also put this picture in the slides so that you can have a picture of it to refer back to. Building your kite. First, cut open the plastic bag and lay it flat. Next, take off if there's any sharp ends to your sticks or your bamboo skewers. You're going to want to cut those sharp ends off. Then you're going to measure 10 centimeters down from one top of the stick and make a mark. Okay, so, and you're going to have somebody help you with that. You need 4 inches, mark 4 inches down from your stick. Lay the stick in a cross shape in the middle of the plastic. Place one stick across the 4-inch mark. Mark a dot on the plastic at the end of each stick. So look at the picture so you can see a picture of what I just read. I'm going to read that whole part again. Lay the sticks in a cross shape in the middle of the plastic. Place one stick across the 4-inch mark. So wherever you marked, using your ruler, you're going to place the other one across it. Mark a dot on the plastic at the end of each stick. Remove the sticks. Use the marker and connect the dots. Then cut out the diamond. So you use the sticks to create your diamond or your rhombus shape. Return the cross sticks to the plastic. So those sticks that you just cut should be exactly the perfect size that you need for your rhombus. Use the mark for correct placement. Then tape the sticks to the plastic. So make sure you're looking at the picture so you can understand what's happening. And then you're going to take some string and you're going to roll some string around a piece of cardboard for your flying. Okay, so this is your little handle. That little cardboard is going to be your handle. So look at the size and the shape of that handle, and then you're going to wrap some string around it. That's what you're going to be holding on to. Poke a hole in the plastic where the skewers cross, then pull the string through. Tie the skewers together with a tight knot. Cut the strips from the leftover plastic for a kite tail. Tape the pieces to the bottom of the kite. Flying your kite. Outside, slowly start running as you unroll the string off of your cardboard. Your kite will fly best with a slight breeze. Up, up, and away. Now this is only one way. There's lots of different shapes and sizes and different types of kites that you could make. And so this is just one. If this one is too tricky, it might be a little tricky, or maybe you don't have all of the supplies, then you could create a different shaped kite or a different kind of kite. Safety first. So be safe when flying your kite. No matter what size or shape your kite is, make sure you're being safe. You're going to want to fly your kite in wide open spaces away from traffic. So no cars around. Make sure there's no cars around and no trees around. Stay away from power lines. Okay, and you definitely don't want to be outside when it's stormy. Kite flying can be a fun hobby for people of all ages. So look at all of these different shaped kites. Some of them are animals, lots of animals, just different creatures. So much fun. All right, you guys.